Joint pain supplements promising better mobility and pain relief are everywhere, and Allura Joint Support is one of the latest trending online. But does it actually help your joints, or is it just clever marketing? So, Allura Joint Support is sold as a capsule supplement designed to reduce joint pain, stiffness, and improve mobility. It typically includes ingredients like glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, and hyaluronic acid, which are commonly used in joint health formulas to support cartilage and connective tissue. The brand also claims many users notice improvement within 7 to 14 days of use. There is some logic behind these ingredients. Compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin have been studied for mild joint support and flexibility. Some users report small improvements in joint comfort or stiffness over time, especially with consistent use. But there are also important red flags. There's no strong clinical research proving the Allura formula itself works. Many joint supplements overstate claims like repairing cartilage or reversing joint damage. Some scam analysis sites also note the product website is relatively new with limited transparency, which can raise trust concerns. So is Allure Joint Support legit? It appears to be a typical joint supplement, not necessarily fake, but the dramatic results seen in ads are likely exaggerated marketing rather than guaranteed relief. The bottom line, it may provide minor joint support for some people, but it's not a miracle cure for joint pain, and real improvement usually requires exercise, physical therapy, or medical treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.